guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Thursday. Well, today's Wednesday, but when I'm uploading this, it's Thursday. Like a wear test to see whether or not using a primer makes a difference on your skin. I know there are some girls who don't use primer and there are other girls who are strong advocates of primer. I'm a strong advocate of primer. I feel like putting on a foundation straight onto my skin with no base, there's just something about it that grosses me out. And I just feel like primer helps my makeup last a lot longer. I feel like it makes such a difference in how my foundation looks when I do apply like a primer and a moisturizer or prep my skin for makeup. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna see if like priming and prepping the skin really does make a difference in your makeup. And I'm gonna moisturize and prime on one half, and I'm not gonna moisturize and I'm not gonna prime on the other half, which is very cringing for me. But we're gonna do this, and throughout the day I'm gonna be doing check-ins so we can see like the difference in like both sides. Moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with the Peter Thomas Raw. This is a Hungarian thermal water moisturizer. I told y'all in my last video that I was gonna buy it, and I did. So your girl's off the samples. Whatever, just like put on the moisturizer how you would normally put it on. I ate some tacos yesterday, guys, which was a whole reason of me vlogging, because I wanted to like show you guys the tacos I was eating. Oh my god, they were so good. The Boscia Perfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. This primer is bomb. If you have oily skin, you use it before your makeup application and after your makeup application. So let's say like you get oily, you can just get some of this and like dab a little bit on there. I'm gonna try that. I've never tried it. I'm not gonna do it for this video just because we want to see like if priming and all of that makes a difference in your skin, but I'm gonna try that out. So I'm just gonna pump some of that onto my skin and then just rub it in. We're gonna be matte today. I'm gonna be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. It's been a while since I've used this foundation, so we're gonna use it today, and we'll start putting it on this half of the face. It's so bare. I'm so scared. Okay. I don't want to. Ah! Oh, this is so gross. Oh my god. Ew. I feel so gross. Finish up the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back. I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I did like my everyday makeup routine. So this is what we're looking like right now. I do feel like this side now looks more matte than this side. And just by like the feel of it, I feel like when I touch this side that my makeup is literally just moving. Whereas in this side, it feels like it's pretty locked in place. I did set my face using the Wet n Wild setting spray. This is the side where I prepped my skin. So take a quick glance at it now and see what it looks like. And then this is the side where I didn't prep my skin. So we're gonna see what this looks like at the end of the day, because to see if like priming really does make a difference. As of right now, I do feel like this side does look more matte than this side when I was looking at it in the mirror, but we'll see throughout the day like how everything holds up, if everything is still on my skin, and which side looks better at the end of the night. So we'll see. So I will see you guys later. What's up, y'all? So it's been about 3 hours since I did my makeup. I forgot to mention I'm getting a car wash, by the way, so if you hear anything, it's because I'm getting my car washed. It's the time that I did it, and it was like around 11. So this is what my makeup is looking like now. Let's get some light up in this bitch. There's nothing really too noticeable, really. Like, they both look the same. The only thing is my nose is looking a little funky, but that's my problem because of my blackheads. But other than that, this is what we're looking like so far. But I think I'm gonna like be outside a little bit more to see if like any of that makes a difference. So yeah. Hey guys, so it is currently like 5 o'clock and I've had my makeup on for about 5 hours. So just to remind you guys, this is the side that I primed and this is the side that I didn't prime, and honestly like I don't really see a difference so far. What I did notice is just how my skin feels. This side feels like I'm not really wearing anything on my skin, and it feels like if the foundation is like intact, it's not gonna go anywhere. But then this side, it feels very mushy and it feels like slimy, kind of tacky in a way, and it feels like it would slip and slide everywhere if I were to continue to touch it, or if I were to sweat, like it would like come off, so that's something that I did notice so far, but other than that, like, I haven't really noticed anything. So I've had my makeup on for about 5 hours already, and I want to know which side you guys think is primed. So this is my left side and this is my right side. Which side do you guys think I primed? Who is that?
What?
Oh, let's see you, Carla. I have a question.
What?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, which side of my face do you think looks better?
This side.
Which side? Hey, say hi to my friends. Carla's back up in this bitch, y'all. Which side of my face looks better?
Inside.
I primed one side and not the other side.
Okay, let's get on this side.
Okay.
Where are you guys going?
Which side?
I think this side.
You think this side?
Yeah.
Carla said the same thing.
Yeah, I think this side looks better.
Okay.
You look ugly both the time.
Which side of my face do you think looks better?
Are we testing foundation or are we looking
Where I didn't use primer on one side of my face.
Okay.
So which side?
So I'll tell you, let me see.
This one you're gonna use primer.
This side looks smoother than this side.
What are you getting here?
Said this side I didn't use primer?
I think you use
This
primer on
one
this
is
side.
I didn't use primer on this side.
Well, it looks better without primer.
Guys, it's like 11:30. I'm so exhausted. So I was looking at myself in the mirror and I noticed I have no foundation here anymore. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys can tell like in this lighting, but I literally don't have any more foundation on this side of my face. I was like, what the heck? Like, this stuff was all covered. This little section right here. There was coverage before I left my house, and now there's nothing. Hey guys, so it's currently the next day and I'm in the process of editing this video, but I noticed that I did ask my family the wrong question. I should have asked them which side they thought I primed instead of which side they thought looked better. I would agree that the side that I didn't prime looked a little better because I'm just a lot more into like the more dewy, the more natural, the more oily type of look. The left side, which is the side that I didn't prime, did look better, but the right side on my face, which is the side that I did prime, the makeup did last a lot longer and I stayed matte a lot longer as well. So just wanted to mention that really quickly. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let's just like jump right back into the video. I'm basing off of like longevity and the overall finish. Remember that I did use a mattifying foundation, so my skin should be looking matte and not too oily. My cousin did tell me that this side looked a little more oily than this side, that this side looked matte, and I'm like, okay, that's good because I used a matte foundation, so my skin should look as matte as possible. I think primer is really important. As you guys can see, like, the side of my face literally has nothing on my skin anymore. So I did do a poll on my Instagram stories asking you guys to see which side you guys thought I had primed and which side I didn't prime. It was like going back and forth between the left and the right side. So for those who did do the poll and want to know, it is the right side that I primed. So if you picked right, you were right. I think priming is really important. Like, look at this close-up, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but here there's literally nothing on my skin left, but here you can still see like some type of foundation. Ignore my nose. My nose looks like crap, but here there's literally nothing on my skin, like nothing. And this is 11 hours, and then on this side I still have like some foundation. Like, my bronzer may not be there anymore, but my foundation is still there. So priming does make a difference when you do wear foundation, guys. Trust me. And it's so much better for your skin. I honestly feel like as soon as I take this off, I'm gonna have a bunch of pimples on my face, so I'm really scared. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that I do upload on my channel every Tuesday and Thursday, except this past Tuesday. Let's just ignore this past Tuesday, but I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.